Now, I usually don't show other products for sale, but I develop very large applications for school districts. And our users, the teachers, always had a hard time being able to use the WYSIWYG editors like TinyMCE, especially every time you were trying to put pictures in your content. Is always a nightmare. You have to upload the pictures first and link them. And so a few months ago, I was starting to look for a better solution. This is their website. This is an editor here. You can type whatever you want. There is more information online. They have a phenomenal list of options. But basically, this is a jQuery 1.11 compatible add-on or plugin. Let me go directly to an example. So this is a particular part of the website where the teachers can actually add content. I will add a document. That's 3. And I say this is a WYSIWYG editor. I will do the usual. I can try to make it. Is it better? Okay. So your usual hello world. Again, you can change your font. Let me make it very big. Blue, let's be patriotic. Red. I purposely put in a folder a few images. I copy clipboard, paste them there. I can resize a little bit if I want to. I can change the, oopsie, their alignment. Okay, you see the idea. You basically put your image inside. I save the change, and if I want to go to see the content, there it is. I didn't have to upload the images first. This was really beautiful. And by the way, this editor, you can actually undo things. You can undo, redo, whatever you want. I wrapped it around also with the ability to specify the width of your objects. Oh, and by the way, this is also a pretty cool thing. The teachers can directly zoom the whole thing up, and they can have the whole page to do their content if they want. They don't have to be limited just to this entry. If you want, you can curse. You can always say the HTML. I don't know who will ever touch that. But all of these control here, they're all plugins to this editor themselves. So you can really customize what you want, how you want it. So how to deal with the images? Basically through Ajax. Let me go. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult here. So in this little framework, I can have a little Ajax call that when you paste an image in, it will send an Ajax message to your backend with the raw image, and you will send back to it a URL that will basically specify where you're storing your data. One of the tricks that I had to do is that since they can undo and redo items, you want those images to stay there. And also, how do you deal with the fact that you want to store them properly? So I created a small table. I think it's this one here. This is a small table that basically has a unique key for each of those images that you send, plus a random signature, so people cannot just try to find any image everywhere. And if you put the wrong signature file, you're being logged out. But having an idea of a table to maintain all the images you ever upload, and then you can easily, hold on a second. Oopsie, wrong, oh, here it is. You can easily say, okay, show me that image again. So in your URL, you're saying, find me that image, display it back to me. I give that key again in my query string and the signature. I can find back to my table where the file is located. Every file is date stamped, time stamped, and you can fetch it back and transmit it. So the files here, I was just uploading this world, and I create a folder for every single day. So like that, I will be able to archive years worth of data. But it's basically a fairly simple tool. It is open source. It's not free. They have a OEM version, which is a flat fee, and you can use it for everywhere you want to. I was told if you want a discount, you can contact me afterwards. I can give you some information on how to get that. It's one of the best jQuery plugins that I found on the market.